Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will cover advanced SQL interview questions with clear and concise answers to help you succeed in your technical interviews. The first question is, what is a trigger and how does it work? Trigger is a special type of stored procedure that automatically executes in response to specific events on a table. Triggers can be configured to execute before or after insert, update, or delete operations, giving you the precise control over data modifications. They serve three main purposes: enforcing complex business rules, creating audit trails for data changes, and maintaining data integrity across related tables. Here is the practical example of a trigger implementation using SQL Server. This syntax creates an audit trail by tracking changes to an employee's table. The trigger activates after insert, update, or delete operations. For inserts, it logs the new employee ID and action type insert, the user who made the change, and the timestamp. For deletes, it captures the similar information about the deleted record. This automatic logging ensures you to maintain a comprehensive history of all changes without requiring application code modifications. Moving on to the next question, what is a view and how would you use it? View is essentially a virtual table based on the result of a select query. Unlike physical tables, views does not store the data themselves but provide a way to access data stored in the base tables. Views serve three main purposes. They simplify the complex queries by encapsulating them, providing an additional layer of security by restricting the access to certain columns, and present data in more user-friendly and format customized for specific needs. Let's see the implementation of a view. The first example creates a simple view called employee details that joins employee and department data. The view combines employee information with their department names, making it easier to query this commonly needed information. Users can then query the view with a simple select statement without needing to understand the underlying join logic. Next question is, what is denormalization and when would you use it? Denormalization is the process of adding redundant data to database tables to optimize the read performance. It is essentially the opposite of normalization, which eliminates the redundancy to optimize the write operations and data integrity. When you denormalize, you are making conscious trade-off. You are sacrificing the storage space and write performance to gain faster read operations. In the example, we have two tables in third normal form, orders and order items. The order table contains the order level information like the customer ID and order date, while the order items table contains the product specific details for each order. This separation eliminates the redundancy but requires joins for many queries. Here is the denormalized approach. Instead of separate tables, we have a single denorm orders table that combines the information from multiple sources. We intentionally storing redundant data. Customer name, product name, and category name are duplicated for each order item. This redundancy eliminates the need for joins when querying the order information, potentially making the read operation significantly faster at the cost of increased storage and more complex updates. Moving on to the next question, what is temporary table? Temporary tables are short-lived tables that exist only for the duration of a database session or transaction. They are especially useful for storing intermediate result when working with complex queries or stored procedures. Depending on your database system, temporary tables can be local, visible only to the current session, or global, visible to all sessions. In SQL Server, there are two main types of temporary tables. Local temporary tables are prefixed with single hash symbol and are only visible to the session that created them. And the global temporary tables use a double hash prefix and are visible to all sessions. They remain available until creating session and all other sessions. Congratulations, you have now mastered several advanced SQL concepts that demonstrate the deep database knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.